This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Debbie Yankee. A charming and very updated property on a large private lot in the Whispering Pines neighborhood. This one-level house has great bones. The owner's involvement and love for interior design and house renovation are obvious when you walk through the front door. Millwork, beautiful hardwood floors, tile and luxury vinyl plank add to its quality. Living, dining, and sunroom which overlooks the saltwater pool, all have vaulted ceilings. The master suite has a newly renovated top-of-the-line luxury master bath with his and hers vanities, quartz countertops, walk-in tile shower, and standalone tub. The other two bedrooms each have a private bath. The galley kitchen has stainless appliances, a gas stove, and connects to a sunny and cozy breakfast room, saltwater pool, and a storage shed. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Yankee at 865-966-1111.